So here is the Skytech H136 2.4 gigahertz RC boat. Has a few features that I want to check out. It has a low battery warning, a low signal warning, and it also has self-righting. So let's take a quick look inside this box. So you get your instruction manual, you get a couple tools, you get a spare propeller and a locking nut. You also get this rubber nose cone piece, which I never put on. You get a little tube of lubrication for some after run maintenance. You get two 3.7 volt, 600 milliamp hour lithium ion batteries, a USB charger, and a boat stand. So here we are with the H136. So if we open it up inside, you can see the 3-wire micro server there. There's where the battery goes. Brushed motor. I haven't seen anywhere where it says what size motor it is, but it does look like a 370 brushed motor. And then here is where the ESC receiver goes. It is also water cooled, where the water travels through that tubing there, goes around the motor, cools it down, discharges out the side. Let's get a battery in here. I came out here first thing in the morning, so that way it's a little dark, so I can show you one feature that I've been seeing a lot of boats have lately. So this does have two lids that you have to put on. So let's get this in the water. Now this will not turn on until it hits the water. There we go. You see those LEDs are nice and bright. I do like that the boats are coming with LEDs right now. So here is the controller. Let's turn that on. And we do have a bind. I should have turned this on first. This controller only has two features, and it is steering trim and steering dual rate. That's it. And then you have your throttle and your... There we go. We are out on the water. Wow. Okay, trim does need adjusted, which is right here, just a little bit to the left. So let's check the turning. Let's put the dual rate all the way up. And it is all the way up, actually. Wow, it makes really, really hard right turns. The left turns, there's your left turn. That is full tilt on the highest rate for turning. And see how tight your right turns are there. That's pretty typical though for these little boats like this. Uh-oh. Okay, so this is, you do only get one speed with this. It's not like real fast, but it's not slow. Let's get right into checking out the features. And one of those features is low signal. So let's see, there's a little bit of mist on the water. You might not be able to see this boat, but let's test the low signal alarm. We'll go down along the shore there. We'll even take it over that shore over there, because if I do lose signal, I can walk over there. Okay. Getting pretty far away. Not too worried about it yet. Ooh, oh, there it is. There's the low signal. You hear it. I'm coming back. Calm down. Okay. Well, that works. Pretty nice that it has it. So this also has a self-righting feature. So right here is a little sensor that tells it that it's in the water, and here is a sensor that also tells it it's in the water when it's upside down. So you still have power. So all you do is you flip it over. Okay, say you flip over. Oh no, I flipped my boat. So you turn your wheel whichever way you want, right or left, and rock the throttle back and forth, and it flips you right back over. So let's see how it is self-righting if you could just throw it in it. Nope, nope. There we go. Right side up. So this boat does have reverse. There we go, a little bit of reverse. The only other thing that this has is low battery alarm. We're just gonna have to run this around and drain the battery. I'm gonna say this battery on this boat, I'm getting decent runtime out of it. Those right turns are so sharp. They're flirting with the edge there. Oh, there it is. So there is the low battery alarm, and you get a 2-beep alarm on the remote. And as you can see, maybe you can see the LED on the boat. The LED on the boat is flashing as well. One last thing to check out is how waterproof are these hatches. I see a little bit of water in there. That water you saw came out of the tube for the water cooling. Oh yeah, there's a decent amount of water in there, so it's not exactly watertight. If you do get water in these, just unplug the battery, which we're gonna do right now. And when you get back home, take the lids off, leave it open and let it air dry, and then do your post-run maintenance on it. But that was the H136 from Skytech. So I would give this maybe 4 out of 5. The only thing really is it doesn't hold water out. I had a decent amount of water in here. Other than that, it has decent amount of speed. It's not the fastest, but it's not the slowest. It's kind of right there in the middle for a boat this size. I get great range, and when you get too far out of range, you get the alarm. So that's another plus. You get a low voltage detection. You have really cool LEDs on the front and the back. Nice bright colors. Love the orange. The self-riding works good. You have the safety switch there where it doesn't turn on until it gets in the water, so that's a plus for safety. So overall, not a bad boat. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can join me when I check out the next ready to run RC. And you get the second battery, which I didn't even use yet, so I'm going to take this out and drain this second battery.